Well, hey there, people. Well, today's mission is to start tearing this apart. Just gonna pull everything out from the inside, and I don't know, the old Ford might be coming in handy today. I might just hook it up and tear it down. We'll see. So gotta get this furnace out of here, this wood stove. Whew. I think I'm just gonna roll it out. This thing weighs a ton. Yeah, I was trying to save this insulation, but got pretty wet. Roof leaks. Yeah, I forgot how heavy this thing was. Well, anyway, I'm trying to loosen off that door to take it off, and I'll just roll it out. That's how I got it in here. I rolled it. I'll take out as many bricks as I can. It's pretty full of bricks in there. And yeah, if that door comes off, I'll just roll it. Roly poly. Well, I got the doors off. Just those are pretty heavy. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull out the bricks and rough hose it out of here. We'll get her done. Well, there's no turning back now. I got the flagpole down. Yeah, it was time to clean out the ashes in that wood stove, that's for sure. Yeah, if it wasn't for my shed and stuff, like, I'd just burn this thing down. Anyway, we're just gonna pull it apart piece by piece. See what this does. Not too much off in there, eh? Let's try again. Probably have to get some tools out for the rest of it, eh? Safety first. Alright, well, I made a mess, didn't I? So I'm just gonna have to come in with my skill saw and cut some up. I gotta do some de-shingling, obviously. I'll de-shingle all that and cut up the roof and burn, baby, burn. This cat, I tell you, she's not afraid of anything. Scrappy scrap. Who's a good girl? Always so happy. You're always so happy. Well, I just got an offer on my bike, $3 grand. He wants to give me $1,000 cash and post-dated checks for the rest, but the bike stays in my yard till it's paid off, so we'll see what happens with that. And I'm coming along with the shed pretty good there. I'm just peeling the shingles off, then I'm gonna cut the roof up. Wonder what happened to that plywood. Yeah, this old shed was pretty much just pieced together. It was due to come down. Get in there. I got the shingles off. I think that was the worst part of it all. Look how wet this plywood was. It's soaked. It actually has a stink to it. Yeah, it had to come down, that's for sure. Anyway, like I was saying, like I hope I didn't bite off more than I can chew. Like I don't have a cent to rebuild this thing. I'm relying on selling my bike or the Jeep. The Jeep I haven't advertised yet. The Shadow, well, I got a couple hits on it. Like I said, that one guy wants to do post-dated checks, but it'll stay in my yard. We'll see. I'll call him a bit later. Oh yeah. Nice 12 by 12 shed there. It'll be like a guest house. Wood stove, electric heat maybe. So the bike deal didn't go down. The guy wanted to give me $1,000 cash and take off with it and leave me with some post-dated checks, but no, can't do that. I'll keep it here for you till it's paid off, sure, but anyway, back to work. It must be laundry day from my closet. Anyway, I'm just pecking away at it little by little. I'll have this roof part done today. I'm not gonna push it. Then later we're gonna have a kick-ass fire. Lots to burn. Got rid of half the shingles. JJ, checking that out, buddy? Yeah? Halfway there with the roof, that is. Bit of a pain in the butt, but we're getting her done. I'm gonna have lots to burn tonight. Hey buddy, you gonna come out to the fire? We all do, except for Scrappy, because she's got a hip problem and she couldn't run away from the coyotes too fast. So JJ, well, he's a pro. Alright, just look at his ears. Gonna be his first battle. Hey buddy. Oh man, I figure he's about 13. I wonder what's up with all the dots. How come there's little holes everywhere? Is it just me, or is that weird? Like it's on every one of the pieces of plywood. Well, I didn't think I'd get this far today, but I did. So tomorrow, I'm gonna cut that up and the floor up. Then we'll see what happens from there. I'm sure I'm gonna have to get some kind of fill for the ground. One step at a time. What a mess. Well, the good news is I guess I got lots of firewood to burn. We're gonna have a heck of a bonfire tonight. I'm gonna try to burn most of it today. I'd be burning, but Shelly decided to hang my t-shirts. Not complaining. Well, we're down to the dance floor. That should come out easily. Anyway, I didn't have a fire last night. We had supper and just, yeah, nothing happened. Tonight though, I'm gonna have to burn some. So this shed here that was there was 10 by 10. I want to build a new one 12 by 12. And I'm not gonna put it tight against this steel shed here, because this steel shed, one day I'll rip that down too. So I want to have enough room between the tin shed and the new shed to get my lawnmower in and out. So this whole thing will be shifted this way. I haven't measured out. I should be clear with this post, maybe. I paid $40 for this clothesline post. I really don't want to have to cut it, but if we have to cut it, we'll cut it. And I thought the roof was the worst part. This ain't no fun. It's so soaked with oil and stuff. It's like rotten, it stinks, and it's just falling apart. Anyway, we will get her done. See, rotten, it just breaks off in little pieces. But anyway, guess I will have to get some kind of fill, eh? Alright, we'll get to that when we get to that. Well, that wasn't so bad. I thought it was the end of the world there for a bit. My old body is not loving this. But anyway, I guess my next move, yeah, I'm gonna have to pull out these stones. That's gonna be my next move. Because the shed's gonna start from like about 3 feet away from that shed and maybe a foot past this post. I'll be able to save my clothesline post. Anyway, I was wondering if I should get topsoil or just gravel to fill that hole. Because the shed's going to be covering it, so I don't need to grow grass there. So probably gravel, right? Burning my old chimney hole. Yeah, the fun part will be building a new shed. I've never built a shed in my life. I'm gonna try. Hey Cash, think I can do it? But yeah, if anybody wants to come and help me, that'd be greatly appreciated. I wouldn't mind at all. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll leave it like it is for now, and we'll see what happens in the near future. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Big cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later. Did I mention I have to sell that before I can buy the materials for my shed? Anyway, a Honda Shadow for sale, 1985.